Imagine you were on a long highway stretch, ready to give your right foot a break, but when you hit that cruise button, the system just ignores you. This is a classic sign of the P0586 diagnostic trouble code, which essentially means there is a break or an open circuit in the cruise control vent control system. Your vehicle's engine control module relies on a complex dance of electronics and vacuum pressure to keep you at a steady speed. The vent valve acts as a critical regulator, allowing the computer to bleed off or hold vacuum, so the cruise control servo can mechanically pull on the throttle cable or adjust the throttle plate. When the circuit is open, the flow of communication is broken, and the computer decides to disable the system entirely to keep things safe. Now, your car will still run fine, but you will likely see that check engine light staring at you from the dash. Start your investigation by checking the fuses, as a simple blown fuse can kill the power to the entire circuit and make the engine control module think the whole system is dead. If the fuses are good, the most common culprit is actually the cruise control switch itself, located on your steering wheel. These switches take a lot of abuse over the years, and the internal contacts can simply wear out or become corroded. If you are brave enough to replace it, remember that you will be working very close to the airbag cluster. You must disconnect the battery and wait at least 10 minutes for the system to discharge completely before you even think about unbolting anything. It is also worth your time to pop the hood and inspect every single vacuum line connected to the cruise control servo. A tiny crack or a loose hose can cause the exact same symptoms as a total electrical failure. If you have a digital volt-ohm meter, you can test the solenoid's resistance to see if it meets the factory specifications for your specific year and model. Fixing this issue early prevents it from snowballing into more complex electrical headaches down the line and gets that convenient highway feature working exactly the way it was designed to.